We are back with the $10 challenges at CVS. I'm going to show you how you can grab $64 worth of products for less than $10 out of pocket. And there's an incredible Aveeno rebate. We're going to grab 2 Aveeno products for $1.28. So keep watching and I'll share with you all the details in this video. Hey guys, happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there and welcome back to my channel. We are at CVS for our haul this week. There are no inserts today, so don't buy any newspapers. We did not get any inserts. Next week, we will be getting inserts again, so I wanted to give you a heads up on that. After this, I'm gonna go pick up my Mother's Day gifts, get all that wrapped and ready to go. I shared with you a really great deal on canvas prints that ended yesterday on my Instagram. I tried to post it in as many places as I could. They were 60% off, so I got 2 8x10 canvases for less than the price of 1, which I thought was an amazing deal. So hopefully you guys got some really good deals and some really cool gifts for Mother's Day. So below in the printable breakdown in the description box. So when you click see more, open that up, there is a printable breakdown. It has the $10 challenge listed, the math, everything. So you can click file, make a copy, and you can edit the document based on the coupons you have, the products that you need to make sure that the breakdown works for you when you head inside of CVS so that way you can have an amazing haul. So without further ado, let's get going on some incredible deals and this week's $10 challenge. So let's get started with the $10 challenge. I know I haven't done one in a couple weeks and you guys really enjoyed them. So we are gonna do another $10 challenge for things you can grab this week. So let's get started. First, we're gonna grab some Revlon. Revlon is buy 3, get an $8 extra buck. The limit is 1, so you can only do this once for the week. We are gonna grab 3 of these Color Stay eyeliners. I'm gonna grab this blue. I think that's really cool. Maybe wear it for something fun, a festival, whatever. Then I'm just gonna grab a couple brown. So grab any 3, they are $7.79 each. Then we are going to use this 6 off 2 paper coupon from the, I believe, 5/7 save insert. We also have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon, or you can use the $6 off 2 Revlon Color Stay digital coupon. Everyone also got this $5 instant coupon this week, and the total for all 3 is $23.37. So I have a 4 off 20 Revlon CRT that I'm gonna use as well. Now, so with all of the coupons and CRTs, you'll pay $5.87 out of pocket, get back an $8 extra buck, makes your final cost free, and a $2.13 moneymaker. The next deal we're gonna grab is CoverGirl. Now, I only have 1 of the $3 eye coupons, and I have a face coupon, so I'm gonna do it a little different. It will be a moneymaker, of course, if you grab 2 of the $4.99 and use 2 of these $3 off 1 coupons. They are buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. So I'm just gonna grab 1 of these, if I can find it, Perfect Blend, this one, for $4.99. Use this $3 off 1 coupon. Then I'm gonna grab a face product. So I'm gonna grab 1 of these clean CoverGirl mascaras for $7 on mascara, concealer for $7.29, and use the $3 off 1 coupon. These coupons came from the 4/30 Smart Source insert. So for both of them, after these coupons, I'm gonna pay $6.28 out of pocket, get back a $6 extra buck, makes it 28 cents for both. The next deal is on TRESemmé. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab these 2 here. That's gonna bring me to $10.48. Then we have 4 off 2 coupons from the 5/7 save, or you can use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $6.48, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it $2.48 for both, or $1.24 a piece. That is one of the lowest price points we've had on TRESemmé in a while. So I'm definitely gonna add this to our $10 challenge. The next deal we're grabbing is the Axe Dry Body Spray. So these are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. I was gonna grab 1 of the Fine fragrance, but my store doesn't carry it. So I'm just gonna grab 2 of these. We do have $2 coupons from the 4/30 Smart Source. You're allowed to use 2 coupons, so I'm used 2 because I'm buying 2 products. So after the coupons, we are gonna pay $12.28 plus taxes out of pocket. We'll get back the $5 extra buck. Actually, we're gonna pay a little less than that. Anyway, get back the $5 extra buck and submit to Ibotta for $2 back each. Now, if you read this rebate, it does not say that you cannot combine it with coupons. So we are able to stack the coupons with the Ibotta rebate on this deal. Makes your final cost 79 cents a piece, which is an amazing deal. Okay, so the math has changed a little bit because I already checked out, so I want to let you guys know what to expect when you check out. That way you don't wind up messing up your math and giving too many extra bucks at checkout. So this is your first transaction. You are going to wind up paying out of pocket $7.65 because the 6 off 2 digital glitched with the 6 off 2 paper coupon that I handed over. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. So you're gonna pay $7.65 plus taxes out of pocket, then get back a $6 extra buck and an $8 extra buck to use on your second transaction. So let's take a look at that. So here is your second transaction. You are going to, again, type in your phone number, hand the cashier these products. They are gonna scan them. You're gonna hand over the 2 different $2 Axe coupons. If you're using the paper for the Tresemme, hand that over as well. And give the cashier both the $8 extra buck and the $6 extra buck that printed from your first transaction. So total after coupons is $17.06. You're using $14 in extra bucks. You're gonna be left to pay $3.06 plus taxes out of pocket. You're still gonna get back the $4 extra buck for the Tresemme and the $5 Axe extra buck that you can either use on a third transaction or use them next week. Plus, you're gonna get $4 cash back from Ibotta for the Axe deodorant, which makes this transaction alone about a 94-cent moneymaker. So stay with me. Now let's go over the total cash cost for all 4 deals that you're doing in the $10 challenge this week. Okay, so this is everything that you're grabbing, which is about $64 worth of products, which is crazy. You paid out of pocket $7.65 plus $3.06 for the second transaction plus taxes. But then you got $4 cash back from Ibotta for doing the Axe deal. So that makes your final cash cost for all of these products just $6.71 plus taxes. I would say that is an incredible deal to go from $64 all the way down to $6.71. That's about a 90% savings. Let me know in the comments what deals you guys wind up scoring this week for your $10 challenge. And of course, if you have any questions that I can help you with. And if you need help with learning how to find deals on products you need, how to save money on all types of products, not just oral care, then click the link in the bottom in the description or in the card in the top right-hand corner. You can reserve your seat to my free couponing masterclass where I teach you step by step how to start saving money and finding deals on all types of products that you need. Another makeup deal that you can do. So this is the mascara that went viral on TikTok a couple months ago. It's now the mascara that I actually use. It is incredible. So I'm gonna do this deal because I'm running out and it's a product that I use and that I wanna grab. So total is $14.99. When you spend $15, you'll get a $5 extra buck. If your store follows the 98% rule, then you'll be fine and the extra buck will print. We're also going to clip the $2 off 1 digital coupon. I have a 3 off 15 L'Oreal Makeup CRT, and everyone got this $4 L'Oreal Cosmetic coupon this week as well. So that'll leave me to pay $5.99, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it 99 cents for the mascara that I absolutely love. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, if you love this mascara or not. I definitely think it's worth trying if you haven't yet. This deal on Aveeno is incredible. If you love Aveeno products, keep watching. So Aveeno has a new rebate on active rewards. I posted it on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there yet, definitely head over. It's Bree Coupon Queen 1. Anytime there's new rebates, deals, Ibotta, tips and tricks, I post it on my Instagram every single day. So definitely check that out. So the rebate is either spend 20, get 5, or spend 30, get 10. I'm gonna do the spend 20, get 5. So first I'm gonna grab a Aveeno face cream for $13.99. There's also the promotion at CVS, spend 20, get an $8 extra back. Now we are going to clip the $3 off one digital, and I have a 3 off 10 Aveeno CRT. The next product we're going to grab is this facial cleanser for $8.29, and we have a separate $2 off one digital coupon. So for both products, we're at $22.28. So we're over $20, we're good to go. After all of the coupons and CRT, I'll pay $14.28. Yes, you can pay with extra bucks. You'll get back the $8 extra buck, and I'm gonna submit to the Aveeno Rewards. The link to submit that is below in the printable breakdown. So just go to the description box below this video. It'll say see more, or click a little arrow to expand the description box. Click on the printable breakdown and you'll see the link to submit your receipt for the Aveeno Rewards. So I'm gonna get back $5 that way. Makes my final cost $1.28 for 2 products, which is an amazing deal. I really love facial cleansers and scrubs and all that kind of stuff, so definitely grabbing this. Here's a deal on Persil. Now this is not a good deal in my opinion. You can grab it for the same price at Walmart. So it doesn't really make it a good deal. You're still paying full price. For Persil, I usually like to wait until we get coupons or something like that. So here's the deal. They're $6.99, buy 2, get a $2 extra back. With no coupons or anything, your final cost is going to be $5.99 a piece, which is pretty much regular price at Walmart. The only reason I would maybe do the deal here at CVS, again, if you need this product, and this is like the only laundry product you use, is because you can pay with extra bucks. So obviously at Walmart, you can't pay with extra bucks or anything like that. So that would be the only reason why I would do this deal here. All right, we are back in from CVS. So there was the one glitch, like I mentioned in the video, for the Revlon. The Revlon did glitch. The Tresemme is not gonna glitch because the second product is less than the value of the coupon. So that's why it didn't glitch. It's not going to glitch. So whether you do the digital or you can do the insert coupon, totally up to you on that one. Okay, so my first transaction, I had a 15 off 75 print for me last week. Then I still checked my email every single week. What you wanna do is check your email that you have associated with your CVS account. They send you coupons every single week. I get an additional store coupon, whether it's a 20% off one item or like a purchase-based coupon, like 10 off 60, which is what I got this week. So I changed my transactions and arranged them. So I did the $10 challenge, but I did all 4 of those deals in one transaction, so I could then use the 10 off 60. Now, because I used the 10 off 60, obviously I cannot use the 4 off 20 Revlon because both of those are purchase-based off using that coupon. So hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so here's all of the products, same ones I showed you in the video. Here's the 6 off 2 Revlon that I gave, $3 and then I just took the receipt like that. It took one photo. You can only do one photo. So I kind of recommend doing that in like its own transaction. That way, you know, it's really easy. You have one photo, it's good to go. Then you're gonna enter in your details, so like your name, your email, I think that was it, just your name and your email. And then you do the iRobot thing. Then it says give them 5 days. So 5 days, they'll go through the receipt, make sure it's good, and then they'll email you. So check your email, make sure it's an email that you check regularly, or set an alarm on your phone in 5 days to check your email to get the additional $5 rebate. And you can select like how you want that. I cannot remember honestly if it is like to your PayPal or is it gonna be like a gift card. So for right now, I'm not gonna count it as cash back. I only count real cash back, right? If it is a gift card to Amazon, I can't use that for my bills. Do you see what I'm saying? So that's how I personally calculate my costs as a couponer. So what I will be writing in my spreadsheet for the entire haul is $1.06 plus $2.53. So $3.59 for everything we grabbed today, which was like $95 worth of products. Can you imagine? Makeup is so expensive. And then obviously the Aveeno, which I'm really excited about. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos and you like the $10 challenges, give this video a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you next time.